Modern technology has currently made millions of people less confident in the value and security of physical. With that in mind, several large companies are launching innovative initiatives that allow people to conduct direct cash transactions conveniently without the need for banking intermediaries. In this sense, RTM was established to send money. But what exactly is RTM, and how does it work to securely send money to any country around the world? There are numerous convenient options available for either sending money to others or purchasing various products and services online or in-store. PayPal is arguably the most renowned. Most people already know what PayPal is and understand how to receive money securely and efficiently on PayPal. Another recent option is to pay or send money to a friend using the convenient WhatsApp payment system. But many users discovered that RTM for sending money is the ideal platform for securely transferring funds quickly and efficiently. Perhaps this is exactly what you are looking for, so if you still do not know in detail what RTM is and how it works to send money securely to any country, watch this video to learn more. What is RTM? In 2015, this innovative platform was created, allowing its users to securely place and manage their financial funds in the cloud, providing them with much greater security and peace of mind when doing so. RTM for sending money is the perfect platform that you can use in any country in the world, taking into account the company's policy to search for new members who possess or have access to stable currency reserves. And they can also easily make transfers and receive their money directly in local currency whenever they need it, providing convenience and flexibility. It has around 200 different payment methods, making it ideal for depositing funds, withdrawing cash, and sending money to others efficiently. Condensed text: registering on this platform is free of charge. We will be able to earn a percentage in dollars as a special welcome gift for joining the program. Even routine maintenance costs are not charged to his personal account. This is just to mention some of the benefits of the platform. It is clear that RTM is primarily used to transfer money securely. You just need to have a positive balance in your bank account, and you can easily deposit into it by transferring the necessary funds from PayPal and cryptocurrencies, and when exchanging Google Play or Amazon gift cards for dollars. You can also easily transfer funds from your national bank account directly to this online platform. If there is any problem, you can also conveniently transfer money from your local bank account directly to your PayPal account for immediate use. Of course, you can convert to RTM, assuming you are aware that you will incur PayPal commission fees during the transaction process. The process is very simple and straightforward because RTM for sending money has an easy-to-understand interface. The steps to carry out this process are very clear. Go to the website and choose either an individual account or a business account. Select your country, then you can sign up using either your Facebook or Google account, though I wouldn't really recommend it for security reasons. Enter the email address and password that contain capital letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and are at least 8 characters long for security purposes. Enter your first and last name, solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're human, and then click on the Create Account button. Access your email and enter. Please click on the activation link in the email to access this specific page. Enter the complete address, including street name, city, country, province, and postal code, all of which can be obtained from Google Maps. Enter your valid mobile number and accurate date of birth, then click on the Verify Phone button. To verify your phone number, a verification code will be sent to your phone. Here, it asks if you want to receive the verification code through an SMS or a WhatsApp message. To receive a message with the activation code, enter the code to proceed to this page. These are popular payment methods like PayPal, Skrill, and Baya, among others, that you can use for transactions. Each shipping method differs from the other in terms of fees. PayPal charges a fee of 19.5%. As for Skrill at 8%, Baya at 2.5%, bank transfer at 4.5%, and Perfect Money at 2.5%, Bionaire 7%, and the transfer using Ethereum is the transfer that can be used to benefit from the lowest fees. If you click on PROS, additional payment methods will appear, including options like Visa, MasterCard, or debit card, with each method available in a specific country. There is also the cash method through Western Union, for example, and other similar methods, but their associated fees are typically quite high. There are also many different types of digital currencies or various e-wallet methods available. It also supports charging a wide range of platforms that provide you with gift cards. It is worth mentioning that there are several methods that require verification processes and identity documents, such as Payoneer. if you choose to ship funds via Payoneer, you will be asked to verify your account details before proceeding. You can click on Verify Now to immediately verify your account and continue, or choose another method that doesn't require account activation for access. For example, depositing via Payoneer does not require verification, and you can enter the amount you want to deposit with relatively low fees displayed. For example, for a $20 recharge, you will receive $19.30 in credits. Click on Select to receive your detailed account information. Your email on Payoneer and the account number are required, and there is an important note you should know. The email you use for the payment method you chose, such as PayPal or Payoneer, must be the same as the email you registered with on RTM to ensure seamless transactions. If the two fields contain different information, click on this small arrow icon and select the option Add Additional Email Address. Then click on Configure in the menu. Then click on Submit and Quest, and here the site will automatically search for a suitable payer, which means a peer who agrees to receive payer balance in exchange for crediting your account on the website with the specified amount. And here it clearly tells you that you will be responsible for bearing the shipping charges. You can rate the seller based on their prompt response time to inquiries. For withdrawals, click on Withdraw and use the same banks or payment methods that we initially utilized to fund your account. Similarly, for example, if you choose to use Payoneer, you will act as the seller and the other party will function as the buyer in the transaction. Therefore, in the opposite manner of depositing, you will receive a payer balance in exchange for giving the other person an RTM balance. Based on that, your evaluation depends on your response speed. You can make a transfer or exchange on the RTM website. If you have a perfect money balance and wish to sell it for a Payoneer balance, you can search for someone who's willing to purchase your perfect money balance and provide you with a Payoneer balance in return. Through the Send or Request feature, you can easily transfer funds from your RTM account to another person's account at any other bank, ensuring a smooth and efficient transaction. Through this form, you can easily transfer funds from your RTM account to another person's RTM account as well, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Enter the recipient's email address, then choose the balance you want to pay from. Enter the quantity, add a small note for clarity, and then press Send. To receive the funds, you can follow the same steps outlined in this form, and the designated recipient will be promptly notified of your request for the transfer of money. To request the new virtual card from RTM Bank, simply click on the virtual card option. This card is entirely digital and does not have a physical form. It can facilitate online payments. It contains your account number, its expiration date, and the CVV numbers for verification. The fee for paying by card is $1.25, but it can be reduced to just $1 by upgrading the account to a premium membership. The funds available on the card can only be accessed and used through the card itself. He tells you that it can be used on any website on the internet, with the exception of adult content sites or gambling sites. The card will be at risk. This address is provided if you use the card and are asked to enter the billing address, which is specific to the issuing company for verification purposes. Click on Gate a Card, then enter a name for the card, and next specify the exact amount of credit you want to allocate on the card. Here it will clearly show you that the total costs are $19.3, which is the card issuance fee, and it is paid only once and does not recur. Shipping fee is $0.45. Select this option to confirm that you fully understand and agree to the purchase fee of $1.25 per transaction. If you verify the account today, it will only cost you $1. Click on Next, and here is a notification from the site informing you that you cannot refund the remaining balance from the card after confirmation is completed. The card lists activities that are prohibited for use. You cannot use the prepaid card on Google Play, Amazon, or to purchase any ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. And you are not allowed to use the card for making any transactions at online banks, gambling websites, cryptocurrency trading platforms, or sites that offer adult content or services. Click on Confirm to proceed and the card will be issued promptly. Click on Show Card Number to display the card numbers. For inactive or unverified accounts, the maximum allowable transaction limit is strictly capped at only $1,000 per individual account holder, regardless of the time. Also, you will not be able to top up your balance with the card after it has been issued. The card is charged only once for purchases. For activated accounts, you can press the Add button to recharge the card multiple times. For example, to purchase a game from the CD Case website easily and securely. For example, This game. Click on it and then click on Pay Now and Checkout. Enter your card information on RTM, including the 16-digit card number, the card's expiration date, and the CVV numbers. You must enter the American address we previously mentioned earlier, as some sites require it when making an online purchase. This serves as the billing address. The game itself or its source code is purchased from there. From the crypto section, you can buy or sell digital currencies. For example, to buy Bitcoin, specify the quantity and price, etc. To activate your account in RTM, go to Settings in the main menu, and from the Profile section, you can upload a profile picture. This will personalize your account and make it easier for other users to recognize you. Activate the site from the Verification section. Click on Verify Now and choose an appropriate identity verification document such as your government-issued ID card, passport, or a valid driver's license. It is always preferable to use an official passport. The document must be unexpired, and you must take a clear, direct photo of the entire document, not a screenshot or a photocopy, to ensure its validity. Upload the photo, and this way you can quickly verify your account for secure and free financial transactions on the platform. The card can be recharged multiple times with lower fees. Share your questions in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.